Hi, welcome to Instagram. In this video, we are discussing the question paper of Vedatyan, and here that you can see there are the total number of questions. Six questions are here, and I think these are written in the Sanskrit. Okay, so here we are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel or like this channel. And here we are discussing paper of which is you can see the 1, 2 and 3 questions are all are 40 to 60 words. Question number 4, question number 5 all are for 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 is all about pariyojana, means that a project based question. For your information, we have prepared all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers on our WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, we are here for help you. And if you need other guidance, you can contact anytime.